Okay, here's a couple of orders for you. Cool Cuff starter kit examples. The guy on the left, his name's Ken in Massachusetts. He's buying the normal Cool Cuff starter kit, which pretty much everybody gets. The swivel sets. Guy on the right, Joey in Tennessee, is getting the latched set version of the starter kit, which to me is smarter because the latch sets don't leak at all. Swivel sets swivel, hey, and that is an advantage. And the latched sets don't, unless you don't silicone one of the pairs, which is all you got to do to make it swivel. So, you know, take your pick. Same price, same cuff family. Both sets swivel. One leaks, one doesn't. Guess which one doesn't? The latch set, the one nobody buys. 99% of you guys are buying the swivel set starter kit. That's fine with me. But the guy on the right, Joey's going to be running around without any air loss, and all the rest of you guys are going to be getting some air loss. And it don't take much to be affecting your performance, as you know. So think about it. Next time you get some cool cuffs, just buy one latched set and compare it to your swivels. You won't miss that swivel. The other thing I didn't mention is durability. The latch sets last way longer. You know, I've already said it a million times. 8, 9, 10 years. I've seen guys get 10 years. No way you're going to get 10 years out of a swivel set. Enough said. Over here, so many guys love Joderside. They all want a better price than $50 a gallon. Yeah, it sounds expensive, and I tell every one of you, just do the math and tell me it's expensive. It's got to be one of the most concentrated, if not the most concentrated, odor remover, cleaner and deodorizer in one that is available. Okay, do the math. It's over 1,000% return. I don't care what business you're in, 1,000% return is huge. So quit bitching about the price, buy my Joderside, and don't waste it. That's the other thing. I see way too many guys wasting this stuff. It only takes 1 to 2 ounces. Usually I got it listed at 4 just to be sure. You can go as high as 4 without getting in trouble. You don't want to ever go over 4, and there you go. I got guys all over going 8, 10 ounces a gallon. How ridiculous is that? And they're the ones that are asking for a discount. So come on, man, do the math, read the instructions, go down on dilution and see, oh, it still works. You won't get in trouble. At least this guy's buying the 5-pack of my PMF titanium glides, cut the price in half on that. So yeah, that is something we can save you on. But the chemicals ain't cheap. This is a high quality premium deodorizer and cleaner in one. Add some peroxide and you got a guaranteed no odor situation. So there you go. Thanks, guys. Okay, here's the rest of Joey's order in Tennessee. I was just bragging to you about how he was smart enough to pick the latched sets with his Cool Cuff starter kit. And so I dropped him down in the middle of his box. He's getting 200 feet of high heat blue. He's got the black Ultimate QDs with the little Joe valve, stainless male, lifetime warranty on that QD. And now look at something I just noticed, a mistake on the latched set. See the little U-shaped indentation in the back? It's like a little tongue. You're supposed to push that little tongue down. I did it right on the reducer set. You push it down, there's no way that latch can slip out, that little brass latch. But this brass latch, if I pushed it down at all, I didn't go very far. That latch could fall out. Big deal. They're only $1, but it's enough for you guys to say, I don't like the latched sets, because now it comes unscrewed. Yeah. So buy another latch. They're only $1. Okay, remember the main advantage of the latch sets, they don't leak and they last forever. They're a very long lasting cuff. Here's the rest of Joey's order over here. He got him 5 Ultimate QDs, black. He's going black this time. He's been going red and orange before, so this is a new truck. He wants to be a little different. Got him some 8002 jets, 4 of them. He got a 1.5 inch hanger, I guess, and an Ultimate soft touch. I guess he's converting a wand, upgrading it to the soft touch, and he got him 5 corner guards. Way to go, Joey. Thanks for the order. And then over here we got Sally again with Chet's Cleaning, buying a few more things she buys on a regular basis. Gator crimps and Ultimate QDs is right up there on the list. She's getting 1 orange Ultimate QD, 3 stainless males to go with it. Got the lifetime warranty, got the free shipping. Everybody gets free shipping. You get over 30 bucks. It ain't free. It's just factored into the cost, which is still a pretty good price. Starter kit, latch sets. Remember that, guys. Okay, here's a couple of 15 inchers going out today. 2-inch tube, 15-inch head, Mai Tai on the left, PMF titanium on the right. This fella got him a nice setup here. Thermometer 0 to 250 with the stainless soft touch and a female QD. And here's just the regular standard setup that I normally put on wands. Soft touch, ultimate soft touch. Notice the difference in the bends. The Mai Tai is a little gentler on the upper bend. And then down low, they're very, very, very similar. About the only difference is one of the left's made for a 6-footer, one of the right's for a 5'11" or 5'10", I can't remember. And on the back, there's quite a few differences. Got my version of the PMF titanium on the right, the Mai Tai on the left. That's the newer one. Mai Tai gives me the ability to make custom length for guys. The PMF titanium on the right's got the 246 jets. On the left, we got the 5 jets. They're both doing really good as far as coverage. I don't think there's any significant difference, so it's more of a preference. We use 95s on the outside with the 6 jets to minimize overspray. On the 5 jet, we really don't need to, so we're using the same jet all the way across, which I like because it gives us a more even flow all the way across. Both of them got the green glides on it, so they're going to slide good, suck good, dry good. That's about it. 2 wands. Difference in height, 1 inch. You can barely see the difference, but it's there. To a cleaner 6-foot guy will pick the 6-footer. The 5'11", 5'10" guy will pick the 5'10" every time. Thanks, guys. Okay, this one's for Steve with NAB Cleaning in Clifton Park, New York. Buddy of Rex Farr. Rex helped the guy get started. Look at here, he was doing good to buy a Glide 6 months ago. Now he's totally dialing in his quad jet. Looks like, I never talked to the guy. He emailed me saying that he couldn't get the rush order thing to work on the store, so Jonathan called him, talked him through it, got his order. We're going to get it out to him. The only thing I'm missing here down in my shop is the Fells nap. I'll run up and I got to go up there anyway to package it. So, but look what all he's going to get. Rush order. Took me maybe 5 minutes to pull this together, so it's not messing with you guys and your other orders. Okay, I'll be back in business in like 10 minutes downtime. Okay, but I do put these rush orders in front of everything else. So he's getting a couple of wedgets, a cool cuff lube, a reducer insert, a couple of 1/8 inch QDs. I didn't have time to call him to see which one he wanted, so I sent them both, no problem. 2 stainless males and a black ultimate QD, 2 CTI sharks, and an ultimate soft touch brass with a stainless male. And I always throw in those little plates on either side to make it work for the quad jet. He got himself a male swivel and a barbed reducer. Apparently Rex must have sold him some of his 2.5 or something, so he's going 2.5 a little bit on me. But there's his order and rush service. Dude paid his 60 bucks, so he gets in front of all of you guys. I hope you don't care. It only took 10 minutes to get this guy taken care of, and I'd do it for you too.